Hi, my name is Chris Smith, and this is my generative AI project presentation, and yeah, this is the video presentation part. So, going in, my introduction. So, the app website that I'm updating is the Peppo Sub Sandwich ordering app that I designed for a previous class last semester in my sophomore year. I am tasked with adding generative AI to the app design to make it easier on the consumers of the application. So I have to add some sort of generative AI that helps users out in the app. So the purpose of the app is to order food from Peppo's, which is a sandwich place in Chicago. Um, the main purpose of the app website is that it is able to help provide an easy and quick way for customers to order their favorite sandwiches from the restaurant. The app has a goal of enhancing the customer experience by bringing to the table a user friendly app with an easy to access interface for customizing orders or just browsing the menu. The target audience of this app is the customers of the Peppo Sub Sandwiches, which is a wide range of people, including like students, families, busy workers, and much more. The app also wants to bring in new customers while also favoring towards returning customers who value the ability to personalize their orders with ease. Moving on. So this was the before stages of the app. So this was before I added any generative AI or any updates to help with the user experience. So we have the start page, the order page, the menu page, and then the map page. And then this is all interactive. You'll see when I open up the prototype. And we got the tracking page, which tracks the order that you just placed. The settings page that scrolls down. That's why the one page is longer, because it scrolls. The pickup page, which where you use your location or you put like your zip code, and then the delivery page where you just add in all your information. Now moving on to the after. So you notice on the order page I added a new button. That's the new assistance button that takes you to the AI chatbot or like the voice recognition pages that you'll see in a second. Then on the delivery page, we added a sandwich visualizer button. Jeez. And that takes you to this thing on the very right, which is the sandwich visualizer thing, which I'll get into in a second. The pickup page also added the button that takes you to the sandwich visualizer. It takes you there. So then on the right, this is the page. And yeah, so what it is basically is using AI, they are able to generate a photorealistic image of the sandwich you are customizing below. So below you have like all these options that once you click on, you get more options to change, and then the image shows up in the middle here using AI. Moving on, so this is the assistance page. So we have the new assistance page, and then there's two buttons that take you to the AI voice assistant or the chatbot assistant. And then so in the middle here we have the AI voice page where you click the mic in the middle, and then you just start talking to it and it listens to you, and then it will provide you with information that you need. And then on the right you have the chatbot page, which is basically like ChatGPT or like any other AI app. You just ask them questions, and then it gives you the answers pretty quickly. And I mean, it's not like an actual ChatGPT. Like this is mainly just for sandwiches in the restaurant. Like you can't be asking it like any crazy stuff. It's strictly just for the sandwiches, and yeah. So the impact analysis. So the real-time AI sandwich visualization adds that customers can build their own sandwiches with an interactive visual tool that dynamically updates in real time using AI. As they add different ingredients, AI will generate a photorealistic image of the sandwich they're making. And then for the voice AI assistant, the assistant could allow users to order subs hands-free, and it can handle complex, customizable orders, remembering frequent selections or suggesting new ones. Voice chat might be better suited for hands-free situations like when users are driving or multitasking. It could also really help simplify the process, as users might find it easier to speak out a series of modifications instead of just typing them out like usual. And then for the chatbot assistant, it could help guide users through the ordering process, answering questions about the menu, or handle customer service problems like delivery issues, rewards, or promotions. Texting might be preferred in environments where voice input is less practical, like in a noisy area or in a public space where users may not want to speak aloud or be that loud. Texting also gives users the ability to take their time, edit their orders, and review them before actually submitting the order. So that's the pros of everything I added using the generative AI. And here we'll go to the prototype link. And let me just make sure it's actually recording. Okay, it is. All right, so this is the prototype I have of the Peppo Sub app. It's on the iPhone 15 Pro size. I would have done the 16, but I worked on this before it came out, so they didn't have it. So when you start it, you got the sign up and the login button. So we're just gonna click login, and then you got, your starting page. You got pickup, delivery, repeat order, assistance, and then you got the bottom, which we got the tracking on the left, saved orders, or this is just the menu. I mean, you got the home, the map, which it's only 13 hours away. So and there you go, and then you got settings. So going back to the home page, we're just mainly going to focus on the assistance, and then all the other stuff I'll show you in a bit. So assistance page, it's a little bland right now, but you got AI voice assistant, chatbot assistant. So AI voice assistant, you would click into this mic here, and then it would listen to you speak, and then it would tell you what you want to know. And I wish there was a way, I'm sure there is a way to prototype that in, but I do not have the time to do that. But maybe one day I will do that, because it is really cool, and it would be cool to see in action. But that's the voice assistant. Then we have the chatbot assistant, which is what I said before, the ChatGPT stuff. So I put help me with my order, and then it replies with I'd be happy to help. What kind of sub are you in the mood for? And then as soon as you type something, it thinks a little. It doesn't just give the answer right away. It takes like 10 seconds, but then it's the AI talking to you with the smiley face on the left, and then you got the bottom where you can type in your question with the thing, and then there's a little search button too. If you want to scroll back up, you have like a long thing. And then going back to the home, we're gonna go to the pickup page, which is use my location zip code, and then the sandwich visualizer. Oh my, I cannot say that word. But yeah, so that takes you here, and then so does the delivery button as well. So this is really cool. You click on the bread, you get different options of bread. Not everything has different options, like tomatoes, lettuce, and guts and onions don't have any options because it's all the same. Like there's no other variety of it. For the cheese, you got American, Swiss, pepper jack. You click meat, you got salami, pepperoni, ham, sauce, mustard, ketchup, mayo. And yeah, you basically click these, and the image in the middle will change. The AI will generate what the sandwich could potentially look like at the end, giving users just a good idea of what they're going to purchase. And yeah, hold on, let's go back to the presentation. So that was the prototype finished. I think it turned out really good. I like what I added. If I had a little more time, it would have been more fleshed out, but I think it looked really good. Moving on, we got the video presentation link, which will be here after I'm done recording this, obviously, so it's not here yet. What you're watching is this link, so yeah. And then, yeah, thank you. Once again, my name is Chris Smith. This is for my Interactive Media 3 class, Generative AI project. And yeah, thank you for listening. And yep.